Baby Sean. Sorry that I missed you. Here is
Chicago.
Uncle Clayton wanted to say hi, and Uncle Raymond. So here's Uncle Clayton first.
YouTube. I probably don't show, y'all will see it when I do put the custom software on here, but I just got the radio. I took everything loose. I'm just gonna rewire everything anyway. Fuck it. But I don't know what I did with my Xbox power supply when I had my stuff running, so gotta make another one or find something. So what I'm about to do, I need this thing too, so I ain't about to mess it up. I'm looking for an adapter. You know, this is for the house. I'll be looking for the frequency between 50 and 60 and output 12 volts. So we're gonna use this and power on the radio. Feel like getting no car battery oil. I do got my jump box, but I'm gonna show you how I'm about to get down with this, hopefully. And like this radio, man, I'll never take the face off, but this do come off. You just snap it from right there, and then I just had it. Like it's these things on the side, so you can adjust it. But my bad. Shit don't want to go on since I turned the camera on. Yeah, but you gotta adjust. I can't do it one-handed, so but you gotta go up and down or whatever. I just leave it on. That's why I be liking my car dark as hell. But let me get to this. All right, YouTube. I got it spliced up open. See, got power to the box. Got a ground. I'm just using this light. You know, I test things out before I put it on the real thing, but you can mess around and short your stuff out. And you do some real shit. But I already got the ground hooked up. So I'm just gonna tap the positive to see. Hopefully I don't get electrocuted. Got power. So we know this thing takes 12 volts in the car, so we should be straight to power on the radio. Let me get to it. Gotta be careful. Alright, YouTube. So, you know these power wires, these right here. So I'm just gonna tie these three together. I already got the ground on there. And I'm gonna tape up these and hit the reset button just to show y'all that it come on. Alright, YouTube. Let's see. Let's put a piece of tape around them so it just don't touch the ground. So I got all the three powers together. Got power right there. Let's see, cut this off real quick. We got power there. We'll spin this around. I'm just gonna hit the reset button because I'm trying to do something else and I don't want it to jump into that screen, the boot up screen rather. So hit the reset just to show y'all power. Alright, YouTube, you learn something new every day messing with anything. Holla.